Introduction to Rounding and Significant Figures. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is rounding? Why do we use it? 2. How many types of rounding are there? What are the corresponding digits that are associated to each of them? 3. How do we round numbers to the nearest 10? 4. How do we round numbers to the nearest 100,000 and more? 5. How to perform rounding in a number axis. 6. How to round non-whole numbers. 7. What are significant figures? 8. How to find the number of significant figures in a given value. 9. How are significant figures used in practice? Introduction. Do you always write the exact number of items in a collection? Why? How do we express the number of items in a collection if we are not sure about the exact value? A calculator gives a value of 6.66666 centimeters when we want to find the side of an equilateral triangle. If the perimeter is 20 centimeters, is it correct to write the result in so many digits after the decimal place? Why? We do not always need to know the exact value of something. In these situations we can use an approximate value to provide an idea of how large or small the quantity involved is. Usually, we use values ending with 0 to represent these approximate values. We call these rounding. Let's take a closer look at this new operation in the first lesson. That is all for introduction to rounding and significant figures. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 2.1.1, What is rounding? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.